Hello and welcome to this demonstration on how to use generative AI with business process management. In this video, we'll showcase how you can automate the customer complaints process. To begin, Chorus, our BPM solution, ingests the incoming emails and orchestrates calls to the generative AI model. Following this, an initial response needs to be created. Rather than using a generic email template, we are using the power of Gen AI to understand the context of the original email and personalize the response to the customer. Next, we use Gen AI to extract key information from the emails, including customer name, policy number, and claim ID. Gen AI will also classify the complaint using standardized categories. We can also ask Gen AI to assist the process further by providing the next best action. In this demo, 2 of the emails have been identified as complaints which require further investigation. As well as directing the process, Gen AI also provides guidance for the complaints handler involved. In the 3rd email, the AI has flagged that we do not have all the required information to identify the customer and process the complaint. In response, it has requested the additional information and closed the complaint. This demonstration showcases the combined power of business process management and generative AI. Together, they can enhance the customer and employee experience as well as automate more of the process, speeding up overall customer response times. This is the future of intelligent automation.